Hi, this is Annie of LifeFire Workshops and Coaching, and I'm doing a little series on what it's like to lighten up about growing older. Do you ever worry about aging? I sure do, definitely do. In fact, the thing I'm going to talk about today is how we deal with the aches and pains that come up as we get older. And I have decided that this is my new fashion accessory. It's a little slug that I call them slugs, a little thing that you heat up in the microwave. It's in the shape of a kitty. And I put it on myself, and it's now my new fashion accessory. And it helps so much with the pain in my neck, literal pain in the neck. And another thing we can do for pain is we can take some laughter cream and apply it directly. Because did you know that laughter is a natural pain reliever? Not going to cure it, but it's going to help us feel better. Oh, that feels better already. Woo! So 2 tips if you need to have little things like heating pads on you, make it into a fashion accessory. And if you've got some pain, you might want to try a little special laughter cream. Do it with a friend if you want. Try it out, see what you think. Here's laughing with you, not at you. This is Annie, LifeFire Workshops and Coaching. Until next time.